the one of the other items that comes up often is misinterpretation of trusts or probate matters. So if they were, there could be a stray interest that way, where a trustee maybe wasn't notified or didn't sign, and somebody misinterpreted that. Um, Title insurance would cover something like that.
And then, so you kind of got into that a little bit, but just in like
Yeah.
a direct snippet, the differences between the lender's title
Mm.
policy and the owner's title policy. And then I know a lot of times owner's policies are flagged as optional.
So lender's policy. So let's say you're going to buy a property and you're getting a mortgage. Your lender is going to require it, and then they're going to have the borrower take on that cost. That is not optional. I've yet to see in all of my time a lender to give a mortgage unless you're getting a hard money
Oh
lender.
my.
I mean, but a typical lender is not going to give a mortgage without wanting title insurance. They want to protect their asset. And really, that means if you don't make your mortgage payments and they go to foreclose, they want to be able to just do that without all of the hassle of clearing up any title defect to be able to do that. As for the owner's policy, so your lender's policy is only going to protect your lender. The owner's policy protects the buyer of the property against title defects, and that is going to protect against anything that could come up from the past, that because we're human, there's error. The county recorders could have an error, title people could have errors. It's going to protect your interest in the property so that somebody else can't come and say, I actually have right and ownership to that property because of XYZ. That title insurance policy is going to guarantee that you're covered. It also covers the legal fees that are associated with that if they had to combat some one of those issues.